If you remember from Excel 2007 or 2010, it came with 3 worksheets. When you created a new workbook in Excel 2013 and later versions, there is only one worksheet in a new workbook by default. New workbooks created in Excel contain one worksheet. If you typically use more than one worksheet, you can change the number of worksheets available by default. A new workbook with a simple setting. You can add worksheets easily using the plus icon to the right of the worksheet tab as you work. However, if you know you are going to want more than one worksheet in each new workbook you create, I will show you a setting that allows you to specify how many worksheets will be automatically created in new workbooks. How to do that? Go to the File tab and then click Options. From the Excel Options dialog boxes, General page, look at the When Creating New Workbooks section. Include these many shades options. Change this number to whatever you want. For example, 5 and press OK. Now, if I create a new workbook by pressing Ctrl+N, that workbook contains 5 worksheets. This setting does not affect any existing Excel workbook you open. It affecting the number of worksheets in new workbooks created after the setting is changed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.